Efficient electricity supply during rainy season. To ensure continuous and sustainable electricity supply in a stable and secure manner during the rainy season, check the following guidelines. Check exposed connections and secure them by using waterproof sockets and fixture. Check all the connections are properly earthed. Seal all spare conduits located at the building roof. Close all electrical cabinets. Replace any damaged meter windows. In case of internal installation issues at your premises, you can use DEWA Store, where a list of technical service providers is available with offers for DEWA customers.